Happy Tuesday, everyone. It's Tracy here at Artsy Albums. Listen, I recently restocked our really fun 6 Feet Apart album, and I wanted to kind of give you guys a sneak peek of the album and also show you what's inside the kit. I'm going to do this kind of quickly, but the album is super fun. It's got lots of pockets and flip outs and places to save all of your interesting and crazy memories from this whole season that we're all living in right now. But truly, it's a great thing to document how your family is handling all of this. And I'm sure that there are a lot of fun and great moments throughout this interesting part of our life that we will all want to remember someday. So that's what the album looks like. You'll get a great Prima Tall chipboard album. You get the instructions, of course, which are emailed to you. You get all of the pre-cut papers, the twine, the stickers, the cards, and everything comes packaged completely and ready for you to make your own album and start saving some memories. So let me know what you think, folks. They're on sale right now in the shop at www.artsyalbums.shop. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.